Hi, it's Pastor Gordon with another word from the Word. Today, John chapter 13, as we look at Thursday in the life of Jesus in the last week before he went to the cross. They're celebrating Passover. We've recreated that. You've seen the pictures where everybody's sitting on one side of the table. I got some of my grandsons here and we're doing the same thing. The Passover meal was a lot more than just some crackers and juice. There were 4 cups. There was all kinds of meats, things that had great symbolism on what Jesus would do and to remember what God had done. But do you know what happened on the way to Passover? Do you know what those disciples did? They fought. They had an argument. Did you ever have an argument before church? Oh, some of the worst ones are on the way to church, aren't they? And the disciples argued about who was the greatest. I want to sit at the right hand. I want this. I want that. And you know what Jesus did? When they were arguing to be the greatest, a few moments later they gathered at the table, and the scripture says he took off his outer garment. He took off his jacket. And then he wrapped himself with a towel and he grabbed a basin. And then he began to wash their feet. We got any dirty feet over here? Anybody want to get their feet washed? Because Jesus said, Matthew 10, verse 45, the Son of Man, that's Jesus, he came not to be served, but to serve, and to give his life a ransom for many. Jesus said, you call me teacher, for that's what I am. Go and do this. Serve somebody, especially in this crisis. Find a way to be a blessing. Now let's look at these dirty feet and let's see what we can do. Who's got the dirtiest feet? You do. Oh my goodness, look at, oh goodness, it's dirty. It's dirty. And cut.